Hi legends, a massive explosion here from the price of Bitcoin to the upside. Yesterday during my live stream, I highlighted 15 altcoins that I'm building swing positions on. And as you can see over here are the 15 trades that I'm currently building largest swing positions on. And so far the portfolio is green with this nice momentum that we're seeing here from the price of Bitcoin and also Ethereum exploding here to the upside and the Bitcoin dominance falling here to the ground, giving that nice momentum for altcoins to get that rally here to the upside. Also yesterday during my stream, I spoke about the ILV trade here to the upside, currently in nice profits. I've already taken majority of the profits, but I do plan to close this position at these highs over here where I will just be closing out this position, nice profits in the bag. But I've already started nibbling at some profits, and depending on the price action that I see over here, I might add to the position to get some more value out of the upwards momentum that's potentially still left towards the upside. Also remember legends, the exchanges that I use to do my daily trading where I'm building these swing positions to the upside is 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗍𝗍, 𝗬𝗏𝗻 and 𝗬𝗍cie, where you don't have to KYC with 𝗬𝗏𝗻 and 𝗬𝗍cie. You qualify for the biggest bonuses by signing up with these links to do your daily trading, your swing positions to the upside, or merely to go and hold your spot positions. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin here together. Right legends, yesterday during my live stream we spoke about the momentum here to the upside, and we were keeping an eye on the 1-to-1 ratio, which we've absolutely just smashed here to the upside, where we could have seen a ABC here to the upside. So when I take a flip from the low to the high to the low, you can see that we absolutely just obliterated the 1-to-1 ratio. We smashed through, we retested it as support, and then we found continuation here to the upside. Now the level that we are contending with is also a common C wave target over here, which is the 1.236. Okay, so we smashed through the 1-to-1 ratio, and like I mentioned yesterday during my live stream, the 1.236 is also a C wave target. So we're still not out the woods just as yet. As long as we can continue the momentum here to the upside, we can invalidate these bearish targets here to the downside. Also what I'm watching here is just taking the brushes out. If I go onto the 8-hour time frame, we have to acknowledge, okay, let me just take the fib expansion out the way. When I take a normal fib from this high to the low, you can see that we are consolidating around the 0.88 level over here. Okay, and from a Fibonacci perspective, usually, not always, what tends to happen is you struggle to break the 0.88 level, you retrace up until you get to the 0.618, and then you go and smash the highs over here. So there's definitely a possibility that we can or could find a deeper retracement here where I'll just be tracking the trend, waiting for the breakout here to the upside. But also legends, I want to highlight, it's not to say that this scenario is definitely going to play out. We could find some upwards momentum and strength here and go and claim the all-time highs without coming to tap the 0.618. I just need to highlight both bullish and bearish scenarios because I am seeing some local weakness over here. When I go onto the CVD, right legends, here you can see on the CVD that we are making lower highs, but CVD is moving up, giving us a sign that perhaps during this consolidation that we're forming over here, the price is slowing down and the bulls are for now running out of a little bit of steam, okay, where we could come and claim the lows over here and perhaps bounce by that 0.618 level that I've highlighted. Also, other bouncing areas that I'm looking at is to say that, let me just take the brushes out the way, zooming into this structure over here. Let's go onto the 15-minute over here. What I want to look at over here is to say that when I take a fib from this low, okay, to the high that we've made over here, you can see that we have the 0.382 in confluence with the highs of this consolidation area over here, and in the middle of this consolidation we have the 50% fib level over here. So definitely for that bearish CVD to play out, okay, where we're making lower highs over here, and let's say we do find momentum here to the downside, for bullish momentum to remain here to the upside, I have seen that the 382 is a favorite level where you find continuation here to the downside, and then you have the breakout back to the upside, where I'll just be tracking this momentum here to the downside, waiting for the breakout, setting my alarms, and just patiently waiting for the price to give me what I wanted to give me. Also legends, what I'm watching is ILV. I spoke about ILV, yes, the 𝗬𝗍cie trade that I took. Currently I already took some profits on this trade. There was the breakout. Now zooming into the smaller time frames, this is where I start applying my one-line trend strategy. Remember the video that everyone has watched about my one-line trend strategy? If you would like to know more about that strategy inside of my YouTube YouTube channel under tutorials. It's called My Simplest Trading Strategy. This is where I will be start using my one-line trend strategy, where I'll be playing my breakout strategy here for continuation to the upside. Let's see if the momentum here is going to continue. At the moment, looking at Bitcoin dominance, we can see we've had a nice little dump here from Bitcoin dominance. Also Ethereum shooting up in the air, and that is what's giving the altcoins the strength at the moment. So even while Bitcoin is consolidating and going sideways, we could still see some explosive movements from some of the altcoins to the upside because the dominance and the money is flowing back into the altcoins. One of the trades that I'm currently still looking at is 𝗬 protocol. Okay, looking at 𝗬 protocol here on the 8 hour, yes, we have a nice little closing candle above the trend line over here. Okay, and I do like that we have already retested it, and it looks like it wants to find continuation here to the upside, to find maybe resistance here by the underbelly, and also in alignment with the 50% FIP level. From a spot bag perspective, or from a low swing position perspective, 𝗬 protocol still looks like it has more momentum to go here to the upside. We had a beautiful breakout, right? If I zoom into this price action over here, you can see we had a beautiful breakout. It looks like the retest already took place, and perhaps it's going to start building on the lower time frames a small little bull flag here for a breakout to the upside. So definitely one not to miss out on. Another altcoin that I'm looking at is KDA. Okay, I've been tracking this momentum here to the downside, which we broke out. It's a weak breakout nonetheless, but now I'm tracking this momentum here to the downside, and it's now flirting with the top of this trend. So make sure that you set your alarm, and let's see what if the magic is going to happen here, like what happened with most of our altcoins here to the upside. Okay, so I'm going to be patiently sitting on my hands, waiting for a confirmation of a breakout over here to go and play KDA here to the upside. So it seems like for now there are still a couple of altcoins that are ready to explode here to the upside. Bitcoin obviously just needs to play ball, because Bitcoin can still retrace to that 0.618 level that I've highlighted, or the 0.382 from a bullish perspective, to continue momentum here to the upside. And then we're going to see an absolute explosion here from our favorite altcoins. Thank you so much for watching, legends. I will see you guys later in a live stream. And for the one-line trend strategy, go check out this video right now. Perhaps we have now the momentum to apply this strategy. So please apply good risk management with low leverage, low capital. It's about winning the trades, not trying to see how much money you can make that makes you a successful trader. Go check out this video right now. And until the next one, cheers for now.